5 best ways to make a full-time income from home in 2020. If you wanted to start your journey in 2020 and wanted to earn a full-time income from home, this is the video for you. Not only I will show you top best ways, but I will also show you the platforms that you can use towards your full-time income from home. But make sure you watch this video till the end. And before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Now let's look at my first preferred method, which is my most recommended method for every beginner, that is known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way in which you are promoting someone else's product. The beauty of this business model is that you do not need to have any inventory or any product. So what you can do, you can just pick up a product by joining different online platforms for free, and once you pick up those products, you can promote these products using different methods. There are free methods out there, there are paid methods out there. You can use blogging, you can use YouTube channel, you can use social media platforms to promote these products for affiliate commission. Different affiliate programs will pay you from 5% to 50% of the product price. It depends upon whether the product is digital or physical. Digital products will pay you much higher commission as compared to the physical products. If you wanted to join any physical platform that is the best in the world, is known as Amazon, where you find billions of online products and you can promote these products to different audiences. And if you wanted to look at digital platform, then ClickBank is the most renowned and the most prominent platform out there, and you can join that platform for free. Personally, I recommend affiliate marketing because it is the perfect business model for starters, and you can earn a full-time income using this method. If you wanted to start your journey from affiliate marketing and you do not know from where you can learn all this concept from A to Z, then I recommend you to join Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate, I will put that link in my description box. You can use that link to join that Wealthy Affiliate for free. They do have a premium plan in which you can get access to the full training. But keep remember that I have learned all my skills from Wealthy Affiliate, and I recommend every beginner to start your journey from Wealthy Affiliate. Now let's move to our second method, that is paid advertising. With respect to my first method, which is particularly relevant with the free traffic method, but once you get more advanced user, you can start your journey with paid traffic methods. The beauty of paid traffic method is that you can control your traffic. Online business is all about getting traffic and promoting the right product to this traffic. The one aspect of promoting the right product to your traffic a bit easy, but bringing in traffic to your affiliate offer or in front of your store or in front of your website is a difficult task. So what you can do, you can set aside your budget on a monthly basis and start paid advertising for your business. You can scale your business very quickly. All you need is to get a positive return on investment, and you can reinvest or refuel into your business to scale your business. Let's suppose you have invested $1,000 for bringing in traffic to your website. So what you can do, let's suppose you have earned $2,000. So you have earned $1,000 in that month. So what you can do, you can reinvest that profit in your next month journey to even get more positive return on investment. That's the beauty of paid advertising. But keep remember that you need to master the art of paid advertising before setting aside your budget. It costs your money. So I do not want to waste your money. So what you can do, you can join different platforms to learn or master the art of paid advertising. If you ask me to guide you about which platform to join, then I recommend you Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. I will put that link in the description section. You can join that link, and the training is awesome and you will learn all this in a step-by-step manner. Now let's move to my third method, that is YouTube. YouTube is the second world's largest search engine after Google. So what you can do, you can use that traffic for creating your own channel and make money online. There are different types of method you can use on YouTube to make money online. The first one is YouTube Partners Program. Once you have achieved 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours on your YouTube channel, you can apply for the YouTube Partners Program, and YouTube pay you for 1000 views, and it all depends upon how much views you are getting, from which country you are getting, and how much their staying time, and it all depends upon your niche as well. apart from the YouTube Partners program, you can also make money from YouTube affiliate marketing. What you can do, you can create different reviews or recommend different products to your audience by mentioning their link in the description box. So once people visit your video and you have recommended someone in the description box, and if they click on that link and buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. So not only affiliate marketing can be done from blogging or social channels, but you can also make money from affiliate marketing using YouTube videos. As it is a free method, I do not recommend any particular program, but you can get that information for free by visiting different YouTube videos or getting information on Google. However, if you wanted to join any particular program, I recommend you to go to udemy.com, where you find a lot of cheap resources or cheap courses out there that will teach you how you can get started for getting your YouTube channel make money online. Now let's move to my fourth method, that is CPA marketing. CPA stands for cost per action. If you prompt your audience to take a specified action like filling out a form, downloading an app, installing a software, you will get paid. Keep in mind that you can use both free methods and the paid methods. However, if you wanted to step in your CPA marketing, you can join that course, Paid Advertising Super Affiliate System. So that super affiliate system will guide you how you can use both free traffic methods and how you can use paid traffic methods to divert or to send that traffic to your affiliate link. So what you can do, you can divert that paid traffic to those CPA affiliate links. The difference is all you need is to join those affiliate platforms. There are some affiliate platforms you can join for free. However, some affiliate programs may require some experience. Once you join these affiliate programs, all you need is to use that super affiliate system training to attract that paid traffic to your affiliate links, and you can earn money. CPA marketing is far more cheaper than any other method out there because you are getting paid for prompting your audience to take desired action like filling out a form. Form may require by putting your email address, by putting in the phone number, by putting in other information. So you can make or start your journey or making money very quickly in CPA marketing. The fifth method is launch jacking. Launch jacking is also one of my personal favorite method. All you need is to create your YouTube channel or create a website. Let's suppose you have created a YouTube channel. All you need is to visit different platforms like munchai.com, jvnotifypro.com, where you find big product launches in the upcoming days. So just pick up that product, apply for the approval, get your affiliate link, create a video on YouTube channel and upload that video. Because the product is not launched yet, but it is about to launch in the upcoming days, so very few competition you will see in that niche. So what you can do, you can just create videos 14 to 15 days before the product will get actually launched. So once that product will get launched, then there are a lot of email marketers who will send out that product line to their email address. So those people will actually move to YouTube and google.com and actually search for that product. So let's suppose if your video comes first to those people, they will move or they will watch your video and they will click on a link in your description box that you have placed. So once they click on that link and buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. Launch jacking is also one of the most recommended system for beginners. Keep remember that you can use one among the 5 methods and you can make a full-time income. I do not recommend to start your journey with all 5 methods or multiple methods, but I recommend you to start your journey with one income or one method and then scale your journey or scale your business in that method. So once you scale your business in that method, you can step in other method to start your journey and make money from other affiliate method. That's the beauty of this online income. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to click the like button, and for getting similar videos in the future, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.